Hey guys, it's Merrick from Merrick's Art. So I've teamed up with Conair to share with you their spin airbrush. So it's cool because it has a round brush and a blow dryer, so it kills two birds with one stone. You can style your hair as you dry it. It's easy to hold, easy to use. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm starting with clean hair. This is mostly air dried and I have a ton of hair, so I'm mostly letting it air dry, and then I'm going to use this to finish up the blow drying and then style it. So here we go. There's 3 settings on the spin airbrush: low, high, and cool. And then also you use these buttons to rotate the brush one way or the other. It comes with 2 spin airbrush attachments. This is the 2-inch wide one, and this is used for more volume and more body. And you just use these buttons on the side to pop it off. And then this is the 1.5-inch spin airbrush. It just pops on like that, and this one is used for more of a curl. They also sell a hot air brush with a paddle attachment if you don't want the spin brush or the round brush. I'm going to be using the 2-inch one today because I just want some more volume up on top. I have long hair, and so sometimes that can weigh my hair down, so I'm going for volume on the top.